How to change the password of your user manager account in cpanel. So let's see this step by step. First, log into your cpanel using the login details provided by your hosting company. Once you log in, you will land on the main cpanel dashboard. In this cpanel settings page, click and enter User Manager under the Preferences section. In the User Manager page, click the Change Password link under the user account you want to update. Next, on this page, you can change the password either by generating a random password or by typing your own custom password for the User Manager account in cpanel. Once you enter the new password in both fields, click Save to update the changes. And done, changing the User Manager password in cpanel. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video, leave a comment below, and share it with others. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel